Welcome to the Ultimate TradingView tutorial, the only tutorial you'll ever need to get started with TradingView, the most powerful charting and analysis tool out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to get more comfortable, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. So let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up your TradingView account. First things first, let's set up your account. Head over to TradingView.com and sign up for a free account in the description or below in the first comment. You can choose the basic free plan, which gives you access to the majority of tools you'll need to get started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your homepage where you'll see a variety of options, from crypto charts to stocks, forex, and even futures. Step 2. Navigating the TradingView interface. Now let's break down the main parts of the TradingView interface. You'll see this panel with your charting space in the middle. On the left, you have your toolbox, and on the right, you'll find your watch list and other options. Let's start with the left toolbar. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to draw, analyze, and mark up your charts. Trend lines and drawing tools. Click here to select drawing tools like trend lines, support and resistance lines, or channels to help you analyze price action. Indicators. At the top, you'll see the Indicators button. Click on this to add technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and many others. This helps you analyze market trends and make better decisions. Step 3. Customizing your charts. Customizing your charts is key to making TradingView work for you. Here's how you can do it. Changing timeframes. At the top, you'll see the timeframe options. If you're looking at a 5-minute chart, simply click here to switch to a 1-hour chart, a daily chart, or even longer timeframes like weekly or monthly. This helps you zoom in and out on the market. Chart styles. Next to the timeframes, you'll see chart styles. You can choose between candlestick charts, line charts, or bar charts, depending on what works best for you. Step 4. Using the watch list. Now, let's talk about the watch list on the right side of your screen. This is where you can track all your favorite stocks, forex pairs, or cryptos. Adding symbols. To add an asset, just click the plus button at the top of the watch list. Type in the symbol, like AAPL for Apple or BTCUSD for Bitcoin, and hit Enter. Organizing your watch list. You can even create multiple lists for different asset types like cryptos, stocks, or forex. Step 5. Adding indicators and drawing tools. Let's now add a couple of indicators to your chart. Add an indicator. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the chart. For this example, let's add a moving average. Just type it in the search bar and it will appear on your chart. Drawing tools. Next, let's draw a trend line. Select the Line tool from the left toolbar. Click where you want the line to start and drag it to the end. You can draw support and resistance lines, channels, or any patterns you need to analyze. Step 6. Analyzing and interpreting data. With your indicators and drawings in place, it's time to start analyzing the data. Price action. Take a look at the candlesticks. They tell you where the price has been and give clues about where it might go. Bullish candles are typically green, and bearish candles are red. RSI indicator. Let's take the RSI indicator as an example. It shows you whether an asset is overbought, above 70, or oversold, below 30, giving you a sense of market momentum. Step 7. Saving and sharing your chart. Once you've set up your chart and analysis, don't forget to save it. Save your chart. Click the Save button at the top of the screen. You can name your chart and come back to it anytime. Sharing. Want to share your analysis? Click on the camera icon in the top right to capture a screenshot of your chart and share it with others, or get a link to share with your community. Step 8. Setting alerts. One of the best features of TradingView is alerts. If you want to be notified when a stock hits a certain price or a trend line is broken, here's how you do it. Setting an alert. Click the alarm clock icon on the right toolbar. Set your alert conditions, like when a stock price crosses above a certain level, and hit Create. And there you have it, your ultimate TradingView tutorial for beginners. You've learned how to set up your account, customize charts, add indicators, and even set alerts to stay on top of the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips, tutorials, and insights. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be sure to help you out. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.